Increasing the limit in Zelle is a straightforward process. Today, I'll demonstrate how to do it. Zelle, a person-to-person payment service, typically sets transaction limits on user accounts for security reasons. To increase your limit on Zelle, you'll need to contact your bank or credit union, as Zelle's transaction limits are determined by them, not directly by Zelle. So, reach out to your bank or credit union where your Zelle account is linked. Speak with a customer service representative or a banking representative who can assist you with increasing your Zelle limit. Explain that you'd like to request an increase in your Zelle transaction limit. They will guide you through the process. The bank will review your request, and if approved, they will update your Zelle limits accordingly. The approval time may vary depending on your bank's policies and processes. Once approved, confirm the new limits with your bank. They will inform you of the revised maximum amount you can send or receive via Zelle. It's important to note that not all banks and credit unions may grant limit increases, and the approval process may vary. The increase in your limits is subject to your bank's discretion and their evaluation of your account history, transaction activity, and other factors.